Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the stunning public appearance choices of the one and only Pooja Hegde. The actress exudes sophistication on the red carpet, often opting for glamorous gowns that showcase her impeccable fashion sense. She might choose a sleek and figure-flattering silhouette adorned with intricate details or opt for a flowy, ethereal gown that accentuates her graceful demeanor. Even in casual settings, she maintains her fashion-forward image by opting for chic yet comfortable ensembles. From trendy separates like crop tops paired with high-waisted pants to effortless jumpsuits or maxi dresses, she demonstrates versatility in her style choices while still exuding effortless charm. The beauty understands the power of accessories in elevating any look. Whether it's a statement necklace, bold earrings, or an eye-catching clutch, she incorporates carefully chosen accessories to add a touch of glamour and personality to her outfits, making her stand out on any occasion. Known for her willingness to experiment with different styles and trends, Pooja often surprises her fans with refreshing and unconventional fashion choices. Whether it's experimenting with bold colors, unique patterns, or unconventional silhouettes, she fearlessly embraces new trends while maintaining her signature sophistication. When attending high-profile events or premieres, Pooja Hegde often gravitates towards elegant evening wear that exudes glamour and refinement. This could entail selecting classic yet striking silhouettes such as mermaid-cut gowns or A-line dresses with subtle embellishments. Her choices in evening wear often highlight her statuesque figure and innate sense of grace, ensuring all eyes are on her as she gracefully navigates the red carpet. Beyond adhering to conventional fashion norms, her penchant for sartorial experimentation adds a refreshing dynamic to her public appearances, showcasing her adventurous spirit and willingness to embrace fashion as a form of self-expression. The actress often demonstrates her mastery of monochrome ensembles, effortlessly pulling off head-to-toe looks in a single hué. Whether it's a sleek black ensemble exuding timeless sophistication or a vibrant monochromatic outfit making a bold statement, she demonstrates an impeccable understanding of color coordination and balance. Her monochrome mastery lends a sense of cohesion and polish to her appearances, cementing her status as a fashion-forward trendsetter. Injecting doses of playfulness into her wardrobe, Pooja Hegde isn't shy about embracing vibrant prints and bold patterns. From floral motifs to geometric designs, she incorporates playful elements into her outfits with finesse and flair. Whether it's a printed midi dress for a daytime event or a statement-making ensemble featuring striking patterns, her fearless approach to incorporating prints adds dynamism and personality to her public appearances. Complementing her impeccable fashion choices, the beauty often opts for effortlessly chic hair and makeup looks. Whether it's soft waves cascading down her shoulders, a sleek updo adding sophistication, or a bold lip color accentuating her features, she pays meticulous attention to every detail. The actress often showcases her refined taste by embracing the beauty of minimalism in her wardrobe choices. Opting for clean lines, understated silhouettes, and neutral color palettes, she effortlessly exudes sophistication without the need for excess. Whether it's a tailored pantsuit in a muted tone or a simple yet elegant slip dress, her minimalist approach to fashion speaks volumes about her understated elegance and timeless appeal. Beyond mere embellishments, Pooja Hegde understands the transformative power of accessories in elevating her looks to new heights. Whether it's layering delicate gold jewelry to add a touch of elegance to her ensemble or donning a statement belt to cinch her waist and create definition, she demonstrates a keen eye for accessorizing with finesse. From structured handbags to chic sunglasses, her choice of accessories serves as the perfect finishing touch, enhancing the overall allure of her appearance. Even during her off-duty moments, the beauty effortlessly exudes style and sophistication with her street-style ensembles. Whether she's running errands or attending casual outings, she manages to strike the perfect balance between comfort and fashion-forwardness. From trendy athleisure looks featuring stylish sneakers and leggings to effortlessly chic denim-on-denim combinations, her street-style choices showcase her ability to effortlessly translate runway trends into wearable everyday outfits. Recognizing the importance of sustainable fashion, the actress occasionally makes public appearance choices that align with eco-friendly principles. Whether it's opting for clothing made from organic fabrics, supporting ethical fashion brands, or recycling and upcycling pre-loved pieces, she uses her platform to promote environmental consciousness within the fashion industry. Pooja Hegde isn't afraid to experiment with unconventional silhouettes that push the boundaries of traditional fashion norms. Whether it's opting for asymmetrical hemlines, avant-garde draping techniques, or unexpected proportions, she embraces fashion as a form of artistic expression. From voluminous ball gowns to structured jumpsuits with architectural detailing, her willingness to explore innovative silhouettes adds an element of intrigue and originality to her public appearances. Her fashion choices often reflect a dynamic and versatile color palette that spans the spectrum from vibrant hues to understated neutrals. She effortlessly transitions between bold statement colors like electric blue, emerald green, and fiery red, as well as soft pastels and earthy tones. Her mastery of color allows her to create visually captivating ensembles that command attention while also showcasing her impeccable taste and ability to adapt to diverse style aesthetics. Collaborating with renowned fashion designers and brands, the actress frequently showcases exclusive pieces that highlight her fashion-forward sensibilities. Whether it's donning creations from esteemed fashion houses on the international stage or championing emerging designers with innovative visions, she uses her influence to spotlight diverse talents within the fashion industry. Her collaborations not only elevate her public appearance choices but also contribute to shaping trends and fostering creativity within the fashion landscape. Seamlessly transitioning from daytime engagements to glamorous evening affairs, the actress demonstrates her knack for versatile wardrobe choices that effortlessly suit various occasions. She may start the day in chic separates suitable for meetings or promotional events, then effortlessly transform her look with the addition of statement accessories and elevated styling for evening soirees or red carpet appearances. Her ability to adapt her attire to different settings showcases her versatility and practical approach to fashion, individuality that sets her apart as a style icon. Whether she's embracing bold trends or staying true to her signature aesthetic, she exudes self-assurance and authenticity in every outfit she wears. Pooja Hegde often gravitates towards exquisite couture creations for her red carpet appearances and special events. These one-of-a-kind pieces are meticulously crafted by renowned fashion designers and feature intricate detailing, luxurious fabrics, and impeccable tailoring. From voluminous ball gowns adorned with intricate beadwork to sleek and sculptural evening dresses, her affinity for couture confections showcases her appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship of high fashion. The actress uses her public appearances as a platform to champion important social causes and charitable initiatives. She may choose to align herself with brands and designers that support sustainability, ethical manufacturing practices, or philanthropic endeavors. Additionally, she may leverage her influence to raise awareness and funds for charitable organizations through her fashion collaborations and endorsements, using her voice and visibility for positive impact. The actress effortlessly incorporates current styles into her wardrobe while maintaining her signature aesthetic. Whether it's embracing the resurgence of retro-inspired fashion, experimenting with futuristic silhouettes, or interpreting timeless classics in a modern context, she stays ahead of the curve with her fashion-forward sensibilities. Her ability to seamlessly transition between different trends reflects her versatility and adaptability as a style icon. Pooja frequently graces international red carpets, fashion weeks, and high-profile events. Her global appearances offer a platform to showcase her eclectic style to audiences around the world, as she effortlessly navigates diverse fashion landscapes with confidence and sophistication. The actress effortlessly channels bohemian vibes with her boho chic ensembles, showcasing a carefree and eclectic sense of style. Whether it's donning flowy maxi dresses adorned with floral prints, layering with fringe vests or kimonos, or accessorizing with oversized hats and statement sunglasses, she epitomizes laid-back elegance. Her boho chic looks exude a relaxed yet fashionable aesthetic, perfect for casual outings, music festivals, or beachside events. The actress occasionally embraces tailored menswear-inspired looks for a chic and sophisticated twist. She may opt for impeccably tailored suits, tuxedos, or structured blazers paired with tailored trousers or shorts, exuding confidence and empowerment. Her interpretation of menswear-inspired fashion reflects a contemporary take on classic suiting, highlighting her ability to challenge conventional fashion boundaries with elegance and panache. She pays homage to the glamour of bygone eras by incorporating vintage-inspired elements into her wardrobe. Her revival of vintage glamour adds a nostalgic yet fresh perspective to her public appearances, evoking a sense of timeless elegance and allure. The actress often experiments with innovative textures and fabrics to add depth and visual interest to her outfits. From sumptuous velvet and lush satin to delicate lace and luxurious brocade, she embraces a diverse range of materials that elevate her looks with tactile richness and dimension. Her strategic use of textures and fabrics adds a luxurious touch to her ensembles, creating a sensorial experience that captivates the eye and enhances her overall aesthetic. The actress showcases a contemporary and sporty side to her style repertoire. Whether it's pairing leggings with oversized hoodies and sneakers for a casual chic vibe or layering athletic-inspired pieces like bomber jackets and track pants with trendy accessories, she effortlessly combines comfort with style. And there you have it, Pooja Hegde's public appearance choices continue to set trends and captivate audiences worldwide. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.